Hi and welcome to a new card making video. Today I am playing with my Distress Oxide inks and I start by applying the inks on a watercolor paper background, and I use the Colorcraft Soft Foam Relief Paste with a doily stencil first. I'm using Distress inks now to color in the butterflies. In the end, I decided just to take the bigger butterfly. I cover these die cuts with double-sided tape before I cut them. This is a Sizzix set by Tim Holtz. I think it's called Tropical. And I cover the whole piece with Wow Sparkles. I use liquid white watercolor paint to add some splatters to the background. I use the Rubber Dance Happy Happy Birthday stamp, and I just cut out the Happy Happy because I combine it with a die cut. After I glued my embellishments down, I put everything on a card base. That's it for today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Bye!